Shanghai Target Industry Company Limited is covering an area of 20,000 square meters with 4 modern workshops and 160 skilled employees. After 40 years of innovation and development, TGMachine has been highly recognized in the food machinery industry, with majority products obtaining CE and UL certificate. TGMachine obtained global network by the 3 best sellers: gummy machine, biscuit machine, and popping boba machine. The development of TGMachine is associated with integrating management of engineers team, production team, and marketing team. The 3 teams work closely together in order to ensure the superior quality of the machinery with convenient operation. TGMachine introduces high-tech talents and precise instruments and equipment for mechanical parts processing. Polishing every detail is the unchanging service tenet of TGMachine. At the same time, TGMachine solves the laser processing problem for long-size metal sheet by combining the laser cutting equipment and CNC bending equipment. TGMachine inspects the electric cabinet wire cable display strictly. The skilled electricians continuously improve the design of the electric box, strictly comply with the international standard to ensure the cabinet is in a condition of presentable and well organized. In addition to complete specific order production tasks, we also have a large number of machines in stock to meet market demand with rapid delivery. Our number 4 workshop specializes in the production of biscuit machines. The whole line includes dough mixers, lamination machines, rotary molders, rolling and cutting machine, dough sheet relaxing machine, oven feeding machine, oven, biscuit sorting machine. TGMachine gained a great reputation for the popping boba machine due to the innovative design for the whole line. The depositing system is mainly composed of a depositing hopper, forming sinks, conveyor belt, sodium alginate circulation system, cleaning system, and finished product collection. The whole process is controlled by a touchscreen, which is convenient and easy to operate. The popping bobas produced by our machine are uniform in size, colorful, tasteful, and juicy. They can be used as accessories for milk tea drinks, ice cream desserts, etc. Popping boba has become an indispensable star product in the catering industry. Gummy candy is still the most prevalent candy in the European and American market, especially the functional gummy candy that contains vitamin, THC, or CBD. TGMachine is the first machine manufacturer to apply the gummy in pharmaceutical industry in China, combining innovative gummy recipes and advanced technologies. The gummy line is designed in modular system for easy application, which was well known as plug-and-play design. It enables the customers to run the whole line by just connecting a wire cable. The pharmaceutical standard gummy machine guarantees the high hygienic level without any sanitary dead corners. We always test the machine with ingredients to make sure the whole line functions perfect. Besides the best sellers of gummy machine and boba machine, another hot product is biscuit machine. It can reach up to 2 tons per hour for hard biscuit and soft biscuit with superior quality. During 40 years continuous development, TGMachine always practices the value of quality comes first. Every step of the production process has been strictly inspected, no matter it's for raw material processing or machine packaging and shipment. TGMachine will always work hard to be your most reliable candy machine partner.